Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, My Idol Lifestyle, coming at y'all with another video today. And today we actually got the Taillight decals in, so we're gonna go ahead and get those installed. I'm gonna show y'all a quick video on the installation process, and mainly how dope everything about to look once I get done. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, and hope y'all enjoy the video. Alright, just to go over the quick tools we're gonna need, y'all. I got a quick water bottle. We're gonna spray everything down. That's how we're gonna get everything to stick. Regular household blow dryer, so we can heat everything up. And then of course, we got the decals. So me personally, I'm gonna do mine a little different. Scat Pack decal right there. It's gonna go right here. Then we got the other pieces right here. So once they get done, about to get this boy a total new look, y'all. A whole different look. Let's get to it.
You want to talk my shit ass nigga.
And I got a couple squeegees. You can get this off Amazon. I use these from the screen protectors that I put on my phone. So this is what we're gonna use to squeegee everything and all the water out from under the decal.
I remember days when I was broke, I had to work. Dealing with the gang, roll the wood up and I burn it. Everything I got, it wasn't given, I had to earn it. I can feel this perk 30 got me itching, but I'm rolling. I'm trying not to strike out, my ass feel like it's bowling. I'm trying not to tap out, but this pill got me busting. Bro wanna spit a pill, I tell him chill, just don't crush it. Shorty say I'm icy, I tell her cool, just don't touch me. I just fucked up one time, now she acting like she love me. Chasing all this dough, I'm stacking bread, these niggas crummy. I done got my cake up, now all these bitches want me. MC Hammer flow, I'm too legit, now I can't quit. I stay dropping hits, check the scoreboard, I don't miss. They know I'm the shit, I can tell I got them pissed. And I'm off that straight drop, boy your shit got hit. Hit your block up, you get hit. Catch him lacking, now he don't wanna claim shit. I be with the gang, coolin' chillin' on that gang shit. Yeah, I'm still my day one niggas, ain't never changed shit. Act tough and get changed, bitch. Niggas internet whipping, but when they see me in public, they change quick. Cause I keep my burner. This pill got me rolling, now I feel like Tina Turner. I get on that track, I kill a beat, yeah, it's a murder. When them shots fly, your homie died, but you still ain't turn up. One of these bees got me rolling. I feel like G Herbo. He said he gotta move, I tell him meet me at Wells Fargo. And if niggas want that beef, I got them shells like a turtle. And if I fuck, I use a condom. Nowadays, these bitches fertile. Hey, let me talk my shit one time. Hey, let me talk my shit one time. Hey, it's out. Hey, let's get it. It's F. Let me talk my shit one time. Hey. Let go. Cool on bull, let go. Cool on bull, I'm chill, let go. Cool on bull, I'm chill, let go. Let go. It's F. Just caught a play. Now I'm up. Sipping on on WAP, let me pull me a cup. I got that strap, niggas know what's up. 068 niggas know where I'm from. 6 block nigga, no flex, no stunt. Burn me a nigga, get smoked like run. 6 rolls a nigga for trying to trunk. Left his ass in the back for trying to front. When I'm fucking that bitch, then that hoe get dunked. I ain't cuffing that bitch, so that hoe get dunked. I be fucking your mama and serving your aunt. I be getting that tie while I'm smoking a blunt. I'm doing a race, so I ain't gotta run. When you swiping the moves, make sure it got fun. No doubt. These niggas, they rap, cap. These niggas be snitching, they rats. Gotta make sure that phone ain't tapped. All new hunters, they blue. And I'm counting it straight out the back. Smoking exotic, get straight out the back. You say he won't beef, it get turned to a pack. I'm rolling these woods, I ain't tryna match. Ain't tryna be friends, don't do all of that. Cause these niggas be weird as fuck. I don't really be giving no fuck. Just bought me some kicks, I ain't asked what it cost. I been had drip, I ain't asked for the sauce. Touch one of mine, you taking a loss. Don't work for nobody, cause I am the boss. Don't do no talking, lead them boys stuck in traffic, it get tragic. Multiply them bodies, make them numbers start subtracting. Divide everything and separate me from the madness. Pull up like the IRS and we gon' make them do they taxes. Lead them boys stuck in traffic, it get tragic. Multiply them bodies, make them numbers start subtracting. Divide everything and separate me from the madness. Pull up like the IRS and we gon' make them do they taxes. Let go, yeah, let go. I'm chillin', let me talk my shit one time. Let go.
Switch over to a nightclip.
I'm chillin', let go. Let go, let go. Chillin', let go. Cool, I'm coolin', let go. Cool, I'm coolin', I'm chillin', let go.
Gives it a more sleeker look.